Hello. Most people that are running a business have some set of superpowers, expertise, and passion that led them to go into business in the first place. And then, after a while, they recognize some business skill gaps. Our 12-week Business Masterclass will help fill those gaps. Over 12 weekly 90-minute sessions with 30 minutes of training on the topic of the week, reinforced by an hour-long group discussion, you'll learn and develop the skills to implement the 6-step business operating system, how to install it in your business in a step-by-step process. We'll start with an overview of the operating system, and then over the following 11 weeks, we'll walk through the system, focusing on each of the key components and how they'll actually work in your business. At the conclusion of the 12-week Business Masterclass, you'll understand the fundamentals of building a business that works without you in a systematic way. To book your place or find out how to join our next session, click the button below. Thank you.